of this case. Formation, actually, because so far we can't know the opinion of counsel for the other accused persons, other counsel for F1 and F5. But maybe counsel can
speak.
Okay.
Your Honor, it's the position on instructions of F5 and S6. We decided to prioritize the constitutional petition that relates to the matters before this Honorable Court. The same has been prepared. But we still face a problem accessing them in prison for further instructions. On grounds of the Ebola epidemic, we are therefore constrained on how to pursue our instructions without having access to our clients, which we believe is also unconstitutional. Your Honor, it was our belief that the accused persons would appear in court today. As that's the only convenient way available to us in obtaining their instructions. Unfortunately, it's apparent, I don't know whether by design, that the accused persons cannot appear physically in court. If you could please this Honorable Court, the accused persons will appear soonest. Information so as to use that chance as counsel to obtain further instructions, as it has become impossible to access them while in prison. So our prayer is that the accused persons appear in court physically this week. To enable us to interact together. Secondly, the adjournment was also sought because we want to prioritize the hearing of their bail application. We understand the matter is not before this Honorable Court, but we want to be on record that the High Court of Uganda has refused to fix a date for hearing of the bail application for F5 and S6. We continue to raise that complaint, and we hope our loud cries for justice for our clients can be heard. by the administration of justice in this country. We are most obliged, Your Honor. Our prayer is to attend this week, where our clients may appear in court physically. Formation of the way forward.
Your Worship, maybe before we make, we can rejoin. Before we can rejoin on that, counsel for A1, A2, and A3, and A7 is in court. We pray that if he has any submissions to make, he does, then we reply at once.
A7, did you say?
Yes, Your Worship.
Let him be on record.
Did you say A1, A2,
A3 and A7.
A7?
Yes.
A3 and A7. Okay, let me have him on record.
Your Worship, my name is Komake Joe. I'm holding brief for counsel here, Masimba Geoffrey. For A1, A2, A3, and A7. Your Worship, I would apologize to court and to my senior land friends for having come to court late. I not had much. We had an application which we were supposed to have filed, but we are not yet filed it because of technical reasons. Be it me, I would have to associate myself with the submissions of my senior on the issue of impedation is having a matter that.
Your Worship, in a brief reply, you all did at the same time. Whereas we do associate with our colleagues on the issue of Adijani, have this matter adjourned for mention. It is our submission that this matter should be adjourned longer other than this week, because one, if it is an issue of accessing the accused persons, then Your Worship, last time there were guidelines. That matter came up, and the trial judge guided on how to handle that issue. They can easily go to prison and visit them, so we cannot simply adjourn the matter in this same week, purposely for my senior colleague talking to their clients, which can be done in prison. So it is very simple and precise to follow the rules of prison, and they meet them. Because we have a lot of commitments, there are other commitments. If it were an issue of trial, having the matter adjourned for trial, then we will have no objection. But the reason I advanced for adjournment within this week was simply for accused persons to meet their counsel, which is their right. It is their right. But this can better be handled in prison rather than taking more time back here in court for no good reason. So let's have this matter adjourned to a date when our colleagues think they will have something tangible to present. Because the adjournment today was at their instance last time. So we'll be glad to hear that we are adjourning the matter next year for trial, because the prosecution is ready for a trial. We sought pray.
Okay, so I am officials of the state and council. I've also put on record the concerns and pride of council for that person. I've been informed, though, by the state that the trial judge handles some of the issues, such as the accessibility of this person by their counsel. But I'm also alive to the fact that the conduct of this matter is not before me, and so I have no powers to make any such orders. My instructions are to adjourn this matter since the trial judge is indisposed. And so I am here to adjourn the matter, and the matter is adjourned to the 20th of February 2023 at 9:30 a.m. for mention. And production work to this for court for that date. Are we clear on the date?
20th of February.
Are we clear on the date? 20th February. 20th February 2023 at 9:30 a.m.
Most of blood. Formation.
Formation, yes.
Most of blood. 9:30?
9:30.
All right.
9:30. Okay.
Zina